Imagine a battle where the only weapons are flowers. The ammunition is endless, and everyone leaves with a smile. Welcome to Valencia, Spain, and welcome to the Batalla de Flores, or the Battle of Flowers.
Let's go! Hit that like button, share this video, and subscribe to Spain for You Too channel. Every year, on the very last Sunday of July, the streets of Valencia transform into a giant, fragrant battlefield. We're talking about over 1 million yellow and orange marigolds flying through the air in a matter of minutes. If you thought Spain was only about tomatoes and bowls, think again. Today we're taking you right into the middle of this incredible old tradition. So grab your tennis racket, trust me you'll need it, and let's dive in. It all started back in 1891. The local aristocracy wanted a stylish way to celebrate the end of the Feria de Juliol, Valencia's massive July fair. Inspired by similar flower parades in Nice, France, Valencia decided to put its own unique spin on it.
What began as a polite parade for nobility quickly evolved into an all-out joyful street fight for everyone. But before the battle begins, there's months of incredible craftsmanship. Local artists spend weeks designing huge, elaborate parade floats. The night before the battle, teams of volunteers work through the night to hand-attach tens of thousands of fresh flowers to these floats. Each one is a literal masterpiece of living art. The parade starts gracefully. Beautifully decorated floats pulled by horses slowly move down the avenue. On board are the falleras, the queen and court of Valencia's famous Falles festival, dressed in stunning traditional silk gowns that cost thousands of euros.
At first, it looks like a peaceful, elegant pageant. The ladies wave, the judges evaluate the best float designs, and the crowd applauds. Drop a heart or a smile in the comments.
But don't be fooled. Underneath the stands, giant sacks filled with yellow clavelons, Spanish marigolds, are being handed out to the crowd. Thousands of them. Everyone is getting ready. You can feel the anticipation in the air. And then, the signal rocket fires! Battle is absolute glorious chaos. The crowd starts pelting the floats with marigolds, and the people on the floats fight back with everything they've got. People bring actual tennis rackets, badminton rackets, and wooden shields to block incoming flowers and launch them back into the crowd. There's no escaping it. Flowers are flying left, right, and center. The air turns into a golden cloud of petals, and the smell of fresh marigolds is overwhelming. Kids, grandparents, tourists, locals, everyone is ducking, laughing, and throwing flowers as hard as they can. It's loud, it's messy, and it is pure, unadulterated joy. When the final rocket sounds, the battle comes to an end. Would you like to take part in the battle? Write a comment. What's left behind is one of the most unbelievable sights in Spain. The entire avenue, hundreds of meters of street, is covered in a thick, fluffy yellow and orange carpet of flower petals. It's almost a foot deep in some places. People step out onto the street, throwing handfuls of petals into the air, making flower angels on the ground, and taking unforgettable photos. It's the ultimate grand finale to Valencia's summer festival, leaving the whole city smelling like a giant garden. If you ever plan to visit Spain in late July, the Batalla de Flores in Valencia needs to be at the top of your bucket list. Just remember to bring your tennis racket and a good pair of shoes. If you enjoyed this colorful trip to Valencia, hit that like button. Subscribe to @SpainForYou2 for more hidden gems across Spain. And let us know in the comments, would you join a flower fight? Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Hasta luego!